Yeah. At the Longwood, pause. Yes, sir.
Okay. That's good. Okay.
What's up?
Solid.
Yeah. Hey.
That's about almost. That's it.
Here we go. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, shit. That's better. That's it.
We're going to come back, cut these next week, but I'm happy with it. Shout out to each and every one of y'all for tuning in, locking in, the continuous support. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. If this information is good for you, comment. Let me know what's going on. I love feedback. I love constructive criticism. I even love the hate. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you want to do, leave it in that comment section. I appreciate that. And I just wanted to give y'all some prices so you can understand. Now, this is not like a step-by-step thing. This was my experience. So for a motherfucker in the comments that's going to say, oh, well, he didn't tell me this and he didn't tell me that. It's not that scenario. You know what I'm saying? My OG came through, helped me out. He charged me $145, and then I paid like $146 to get it done. And I had to get I had to get the largest wood pause that they had there. So I had to get 2 of those. That was like $20. So I paid like $320 when it's all said and done, and I turned around and made my money back. And is it necessary? 9 times out of 10, depending on what freight you have, it's not necessary. But does it make you stand out? Does it make you look more professional? Does it make more brokers and more direct shippers want to work with you? Absolutely. So people ask, how do I get contracts? How do I do this? How do I do that? This is how you do it. You make yourself stand out. You make yourself look different. So I'm all in at $320. If you're lucky enough to find somebody that knows how to get the right screws that it goes through the wood as well as the metal, you do that. You go to Harbor Freight to get all the extra stuff, which I showed y'all. You know what I'm saying? So that's my prices. Now, I don't, like I said, this is not a step-by-step situation. This is just showing y'all my experience and what I've done. And it's been very, very lucrative for me thus far. All right. So I'm going to get at y'all my next video. I'm going to get into what apps do I use to get me in the situations and build the relationships that I have now. All right. So let's get it.